So we have some data in our database, and we have our user method getAll, which returns a slice of all users in the database. Let's try it out. So I'm going to do that by going over to my routes file in the cmd/API folder. And right here, I'll put in a test route. And this is one that will change or go away before too long, but let's not worry about that. So we'll put in mux.get, and I'm just going to go to /users/all. And I'll inline the handler, because this is just a test. So a function with w http.responseWriter, the first of the two required parameters to make this a handler. And the second one is a pointer to http.request. And inside of this, all I'm going to do is create a variable called users of type data.user. Okay? So now that I have a users variable, well, that has a method, the method getAll. So I can store the result in all while checking for an error when I use the variable users.getAll. And that has no required parameters, so that should give it to me. So let's check for an error. If error is not equal to nil, then I'll just say app.errorlog.println, whatever the error is, okay? And I'll return. I don't want to go any further. But assuming I get past that, now I can just write some JSON. So I have app available to me inside the routes function. So app.writeJSON, and that requires the response writer. It requires some status, http.statusOK, and it requires the data, which I stored in all. So if this goes according to plan, I should be able to open my terminal, type make start to start it up. And there it goes. Now I should be able to go to my web browser and open a new tab and go to http://localhost port 8081/users/all. And there is my response. And if I look at the raw data, it's exactly what I expect to see. Perfect. So we know it works. Now we can go on and start writing the rest of the required functions for the user package, and then we'll move on to the token package, where authentication actually takes place.